So here we are at the airport. You need a hand?
It's island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, man, and we have here.
Yeah.
Little island.
Yeah, that's Batman.
Yeah.
Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Yeah.
Nice. What's the plan for today is it's a Sunday and I'm going to the airport. I'm going to Balina airport to pick up someone from the airport, yeah? Yes, man. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you how I go on, yeah? Might make a few stops. I have to pick up something for the GoPro down in Balina as well. So we're gonna do that. Yes, man. It's a very sunny day, hot already. Isn't me? So make we go now. Let's go now. We're on a roll now. Just gonna pump up the car tires, guys. So we're now in Lismore. Yeah. And also it is now summer in Australia. December 1st starts summer. So you know what that go.
Yeah.
Right now it's already hot, to be honest. Like even before summer started, it's been hot, so I can only imagine. So from Casino to Balina is an hour drive. Yeah, so we're there in Lismore, you know. Then pass through Lismore to Astonville and yeah, so on till we reach Balina.
Just like when I ask Brandon if you're 15, I'm going to ask Walk if you're 15 to go off him on the buckle. May I ask you as my friend to go off him on the buckle? I'm a friend. I am a friend. And he also want them know. Then put in the friend zone.
So we have a speed camera coming up here. So first you see the sign, and then right on your left here, right here it's supposed to be nothing over 80. Speed camera, you get a fat fine. Yeah, man. Look at all the bikers. Shit, look at them. So many bikes. Might be a bike club. Sure, look at bikers, man. Them enough. More than 100 bike out, could it? Are you guys seeing this? Pure bike. I first see so much bike in Australia. No traffic there down here, so. Non-stop. Right, you know, you call that predator helmet. Some of them have an, what you call it, Santa Claus helmet, and must be a bike show or something. I have no idea, my peeps, but yeah. Are you there last, my general? He has a Santa bag at the back. People are comical, I swear. Alright, my people, so here in Balina now. Just at the fish shop. Yeah. Little island is asleep. Still have about 20 minutes before I reach to the airport before the person's flight arrives. Look who is asleep. Hi, Bobby. Hey. Let's get some fish. You hungry?
No.
Okay. Tired? Stretchy, stretchy. Which one you want? You want drumstick?
Huh?
This one?
No, this one.
Sure about that?
Yeah. I want food.
Huh?
Ice cream.
That one?
Yeah.
So we're almost there.
400 meters. Continue straight to stay on Kerr Street.
Almost there, guys. Green light, green light.
You're doing like Squid Game.
Green light, squid game?
Yeah.
Ah. So this is also a test for me because even Babes was worried because she know I've never driven a Hoa on my own. So it's the first time I'm actually driving this long on my own. So yeah, but we'll do it, you know. Much more confident from when we start, you see it. Yeah, man. So we're pretty much there at the airport. We don't see it yet, but pretty much there at the airport. Also, passenger terminal. I think I remember the way from here because we take this airport before, go to Sydney. Yeah. I wonder which one of them road there. Premium parking, general parking straight. Hold on a minute. Confused us now, you know. I think I so. Correct, I think I so, you know. So I'm trying to get to the front. So here we are at the airport. So I think I'm supposed to wait behind this car. Is there space around? Don't know the routine, you know. If I supposed to wait.
Lala's coming.
You're silent.
Oh, let me see Lala.
Alright, so we're there. So you need a hand?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Lala. I want ice cream, Lala. Lala, I want ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This guy. I went to the fish shop to get him ice cream, but they didn't have, the machine was down.
That machine?
Yeah.
Oh.
For a card.
Oh yeah.
And I didn't have cash on me, so I was just like, I had to walk away and he was
Well, I
crying.
have cash.
Yeah, so that's why he's a bit upset. So got the charger from the good guys, so we're gonna head home now. Alright, so I'm gonna get some fish at the fish shop. I'll take 2 of these. Snapper.
This one?
Yeah, 2 of them. This one. No need to scale them, okay?
Don't do anything?
Yeah.
No gut? No.
Yeah. How much?
Don't gut it?
No. I'll do it.
So it's going to be 65, 40 please.
Yeah. Can you put some ice in it? Alright, my peeps, so just get my fish, 2 nice snapper, and then I'll get the ice cream for the island because the card machine was down earlier, so I couldn't get it for him. So that is that, and we're going to head home. Nice fruits on the front here. Oh. Ice cream. Getting this one. There, mate. It's this one. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you all enjoy watching, you know what I mean? So we're going to do now, you see me? Yes, man. So bless up, and I hope you enjoy this video, alright? Catch you in the next one. Bye.